In Latin America in particular, we have, we're again on the agro side, we're working with potato and corn farmers. We're changing a lot of the irrigation techniques down to drip irrigation or direct seeding irrigation. Are we talking about savings in water anywhere between 10 and 25% here? Okay, which is big in terms of the resource it frees up. Other things in the area of energy, it goes all the way from utilizing alternative sources of energy. To use Chile as an example, all plant lighting is done through solar tubes. Solar tubes are fairly inexpensive appliances that use sunlight, concentrate sunlight, throw sunlight into the plant, and you don't ever need artificial lighting. The offices, all the computers, all the appliances are run by solar panels, converting solar energy into electrical energy. Another thing which would seem like an egg of Columbus after you've done it is many of our processes use heat and cooling in the same process. Once we put the two together and we recover heat from the process and put it back in, we save tons of energy that way. So, as I said before, we're talking about literally thousands of applications. I cannot tell you about one single large application. I can tell you about thousands of our associates bringing thousands of ideas which each resulted in incremental benefit and incremental efficiencies which not only have reduced our footprint but generated savings. Our vision is compelling enough so that everybody knows what they're contributing to it. And also, I mean, our financial capital expenditure rules are such that we do have, I mean, we do hold ourselves to the company's objectives in terms of payback. But we also have enough flexibility should we not get the optimal payback for a project. If the project merits it, the corporation will do it.
And the time is part of the game?
Time is part of the game, absolutely.
Okay, so you're thinking that, what would be your message to companies that want to go through a comprehensive process like you guys are doing to change almost everything? What would be the message? I mean, they have to think in a medium term or a long term commitment, and how?
The commitment is definitely long term. Definitely long term. The gains are fairly short term. What we have found, as I said before, what we have found is most of the initiatives are not capital intensive. Most of the initiatives, most of the big gains can go all the way from turning off the light or closing the water faucet, okay, to ideas that are generated by the associates, by the employees themselves. All we need, and that's the most important thing, is we need to have a clear vision, something that people can relate to, which fortunately is our case.